Divorce court can feel like a battlefield, but what if you could walk in there, armed with the right strategies and a winning mindset? You preparing for a day in divorce court and feeling overwhelmed. Don't worry, you're not alone. The process can be daunting and the emotions can run high. But remember, preparation is key. That's why we're here, to guide you step by step through the process of getting ready for your day in court. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can walk into that courtroom with confidence. Before you even step foot in the courtroom, there are some key steps to take. Firstly, it's essential to meet with your attorney to review any documents and testimonies. This meeting can help you understand the process better and prepare you for any potential questions. Next, ensure you get adequate rest the night before and start your day with a healthy meal. This will help you manage stress and maintain focus during the hearing. Your attire also matters. Dress professionally, as this can influence how you are perceived in the courtroom. Lastly, remember to be courteous at all times, regardless of the situation. Remember, preparation is key to managing stress and presenting your case effectively. On the day of your court hearing, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, allow for extra driving time. Consider traffic and parking and aim to arrive early. Once you're there, be prepared to go through security procedures, including a metal detector. When you're in the courtroom, you'll stand before the judge as the attorneys conduct direct examination and cross-examination. These are formal processes where each side presents their case and questions the other. Lastly, each attorney will make a closing argument. This is their final chance to persuade the judge. Knowing what to expect can help you stay calm and collected during the proceedings. Once the hearing is over, the judge will make a decision. This may happen on the spot, or it might take some time for them to ponder over all the details and testimonies. But when that decision does come, it's crucial to accept it with grace. Let's be clear, this doesn't mean you have to be thrilled with the outcome, but it does mean respecting the judicial process and the role it plays in resolving disputes. Keep in mind that there could be room for appeal, but that's a conversation for another day. For now, take a deep breath and remember, divorce court is just one step in the process of moving forward. Divorce is a challenging process, but being prepared can make it a bit easier. Today, we've walked through the steps from pre-court preparation to understanding the process on the day and highlighted key considerations for after the hearing. Remember, knowledge is power. Staying calm, being courteous, and dressing professionally can all contribute to a smoother experience. With preparation and understanding, you can navigate your day in divorce court with confidence and grace.